Hello guys, this is what would happen if Poland won the war in 1939, if you remember. But not really at 1945, but 1939. But so bye bye. I mean, sorry. So here's the one. So I'm gonna give a speech. Just kidding. Let's do this. That's it. If you want me to make some of these more videos, please subscribe and like the video. You guys cannot comment. I'm sorry because I don't even know how to enable comments. So bye bye. Love you guys. And also to Amber, we maybe not be in the same class, but it's okay. If I'm in the cafeteria, I would say hello because oh my god. Bye bye.